Welcome to IT and Network King official channel. How to download ChatGPT conversations into PDF, text, and Markdown files in laptop and computers. Open web browser. Type Save ChatGPT Chrome extension in Google search bar. Open official Chrome Web Store website. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add extension. Save ChatGPT extension is added in Chrome browser. Open ChatGPT Conversations. Click Extension. Click Save ChatGPT. Select Format. I am selecting PDF. All conversations is converted into PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe IT and Network King official channel.